Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Bintang Februnia. I'm from PBIB 2021, branch of linguistics. Next, branch of linguistics. Linguistics are again in a multiplicity of studies, some of which bear little direct relationship to each other. This is an incomplete list of the branches of linguistics. New ones continue to arise. Next, phonetics, the study of speech sounds, how they are produced in the vocal tract. Articulatory phonetics, how they are transmitted through the air. Associative phonetics and how they are perceived by the listener. Auditory phonetics. Phonology, the study of the sound system of language, how the particular sound used in each language form an integrated system for encoding information, and how such systems differ from one language to another. Next, morphology, the study of the way in which words are constructed out of smaller units which have a meaning or grammatical function. For example, the word friendly is converted from friend, and the adjective forming li. Lexicoparapi, the completing of dictionaries lexicography could be seen as a branch of applied linguistics. Next, syntax, the study of how words combine to form sentences and the rules which govern the formation of sentences. Semantics, the study of meaning, how word and sentence are related to the real or imaginary objects they refer to and the situations they describe. Next, pragmatics, the study of the use of language in communication, particularly the relationship between tense and the context and situation in which they are used, such as time, place, social relationship between speaker and hearer, and speakers assumptions about the hearer's belief. Next, sociologians, the study of language and relationship to social factors such as social class, educational level, age, sex, and ethnic origin. Such areas as the study of language choice in bilingual of multilingual communities, lingual planning of language attitudes can also be included. Next. Discourse analysis, the study of how stances in spoken and written language form larger meaningful use such and paragraphs, conversations, interviews, ads. The study of that satellites, the study of that varieties in language which independent on the situation in which language is used and also on the effect the writer speaker wishes to create on the reader. Here Stellation tries to establish participles capable of explaining the particular choice made by individuals and social groups in their use of language. Next. Literary stylistics, the analysis of literary texts, applying linguistic methods and theories, phonetics, morphology, syntax, discourse analysis, pragmatics, etc. with the effect providing retrievable interpretation which allow comparisons of direct text generation, fiction, drama, and poetry. Next. Physiologistic, the study of the mental process and underlying the planning, production, perceptions, and comprehensions of speech. For example, how memory limitation affects speech production and comprehension. The best developed branch of physiologistics in the study of language acquisition. Next. Applied linguistics, the application of the method and results of linguistics to such areas as language teaching, national language policies, translation, language is politics, advertising, classrooms, and courts. Forensic linguistic. Next. Complication linguistic. Computational linguistics study natural language such as English and Japanese rather than computer language such as Fortran or Java. The field of computational computers to be used as aids in analyzing and processing natural language and the physiological aim to understand biology with computers more about how people process natural language. It also includes research on automatic translation, electronic production of article speech, and the automatic recognition of human speech. Next, the history linguistic is a record of the development of the study of linguistics from ancient Greece to modern times. The science of linguistics has been discussed since the Babylonian civilization, but the process in standardized reach only began in the ancient Greek period. Next, from the journey of linguistics from the Greek era, structuralist linguistics is a further development of language studies that have existed since 1857, which was initiated by the father of modern linguistics, Ferdinand de Saussure. The term linguistic comes from English linguistic, which means the study of language. Next, the equivalent words include linguistically in French, linguistically, or in Dutch, which is derived from the Latin language, which means language. Next, definition are adapted from Richard Jack All 1092 Dictionary of Language Teaching and Applied Linguistic New Education edition London Longman, Crystal David 1097 and Dictionary of Linguistics and Phonetics, 4th edition, Oxford Blackwell. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.